Hello, 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 everyone. It is Ramira, aka Mary the Goddess. You can follow me on all your social media platforms at Mary the Goddess, MARATHEGODESS, and two number twos. Yes, I know it's Wendy and Goddess. That's how I want it to be. All right. For those who do not know me, I'm 31 years old. I'm lots of fun. I'm just playing. I'm 31 years old. I'm a mom. I'm a businesswoman, and I rob banks legally. And I'm always here to teach you how. I trade the largest financial market in the world. Okay, it is Forex, or the foreign exchange market. All right, it's the largest. It runs 24/5. All right. There's two different types of ways to trade forex. One is by technical analysis, and one is by fundamental analysis. I'm a technical analysis trader, and that means that I look at price previous movements and patterns in the market, and I predict what may happen next. Okay. Um, yeah, and one of the technical tools that I do use is the Japanese candlestick. So this is why you here. You landed on me, okay? And you got me. And we about to go over the Japanese candlesticks. All right. I go over the candlestick trading Bible. It's a free download on any of your internet browsers. Um, I used to market this one website, but that website is there no longer. So just do your research. If you cannot find the book, reach out to me. I got you. Put it in the comment section or whatever you need to do. I got you. Uh, yes. If this is your returning time, welcome back to the craziness. Hey, okay. Let me tell y'all, I have tried to record this video. Look, my eyelash, okay? The eyelash is tired. Even the eyelash is tired, okay? But we gonna rock it with this tired eyelash, okay? But I have tried to record this video like 4 times, okay? In my previous videos, it was like, I'm a mom. Yeah, yeah, I'm a mom because I was momming today, okay? In these videos, all I asked, hey, I got the house together. Let mommy work. All right? We've been out all day today. It's time for mommy to work. Okay, it's time for mommy to declutter. I wanna get some me time at the end of the day if I could. Okay. All right. Plans ain't planning the way I planned it. But it's okay. We here. We right now. I got nails on. Let me see what I said in the other videos. I don't know. All right. I might just drop those bloopers in the previous links and I mean the previous things that I did. I don't know. I gotta go over it. I had some good stuff to say. I had some motivational stuff to say, but right now, hey, you got nails. I just washed the dishes. We here. You got me. All right. Let's get it. Let's just get it. All right. Oh, also before we get into it, if you need to go get your notebook, if you need to go get your drink, your little good fruit snacks that is healthy. Health is wealth, guys. Health is wealth. All right. Go ahead and get that. Okay, give me 1 second. All right, so now I'm waiting on some confirmation. All right, so if this is your first time, I just want to let you know you are in the right place. However, you may be at the wrong video. All right, if this is your first time, you know nothing about candlesticks and you need to know, I need you to stop watching this video and I need you to go watch my previous videos. We have been over a couple of things: introduction, overview, history of the candlesticks. I did not record, but I need you to read and I need you to do your homework to see why candlesticks is important and how they can be used in more than one market. Okay. We everything that is highlighted right here, we have completed, but it's okay. I got you. Just stop watching this video. All right. Go watch your previous videos. Go take your time. Okay. I don't care if it take you days, weeks, or even months to complete and to train your eyes to get it. All right. Until you get to where you need to be. And that's right here with me. Oh, come on, I'm flowing today. Um, um, yes. So take your time. Ain't no race. You're not in competition with nobody but yourself right now. Okay. It's just you versus you. Okay. You you gonna do your homework. All right. You gonna mark up a chart. Okay. You gonna train your eyes. You gonna find some patterns in the market. That's what you're gonna do, right? Okay. All right. So when you do it and you are ready to where you need to be right here, I'll be waiting for you. All right. Timing is everything. And when you get here, that time is gonna be now. Okay. If you just came for the first time and you just needed this information, welcome. Okay. Now that y'all a part of me, all right. Now that you here, you're a part of me. Okay. We are now together now. Okay. We are now in some type of relationship. Okay. All right. I got you. All right. We here. You have entered the craziness. You gonna, hey, hey. I'm not always professional. Sometimes that hey, I'm from East Atlanta. Sometimes that East Atlanta come out, baby. But it's okay. Because we cool now, right? You subscribe, you press that like button, you commented a little bit. We locked in, bruh. Gang gang. All right, so let's get into it. This will be a little bit a long video because we're gonna go into a couple of things: the engulfing bar candlestick pattern and how to trade the engulfing bar candlestick pattern. Um, so yeah, let's dig into it. All right, so the engulfing bar candlestick pattern is one of the most powerful and profitable price action patterns. Knowing how to use it properly as an entry signal will tremendously improve your trading profitability. Felt like Dr. Seuss there. Okay, all these LYs. All right. In this in this section, you will learn how to use the engulfing bar pattern profitably. It doesn't matter if you are a beginning or advanced trader. If we are looking for seriously a better trading strategy more than what you have been using, you have come to the right place. All right. What is an engulfing bar pattern? This is the first candlestick pattern that they talk about up in the previous channels, previous chapters and when we was reading. Okay. We know what these engulfing bar looks like. We know why they're so powerful and what they mean. All right. So this reversal candlestick pattern consists of two opposite color bodies in which the second body engulfs or covers entirely the first one. All right. Okay, a bullish engulfing pattern forms at the end of a downtrend. It provides a clear signal that the buying pressure has overwhelmed the selling pressure. In other words, the buyers are now involved. Okay, a bearish engulfing pattern occurs at the end of an uptrend. It is a top trend reversal indicator. It shows that the bulls are no more in control of the market and the price trend is likely to reverse. See the illustration below. All right, so we have our bullish. Their bullish engulfing is found at the bottom of a downtrend. All right. Trend reverses and goes to the upside. Okay. All right, this is a bearish engulfing. It's found at the top of an uptrend. So excuse me. Price reverses and then goes down to the downside. All right. According to Steve Nyson, the father of modern candlestick charting, this candle must meet three important criteria to be considered a reversal pattern. Please close my door. All right. The market is in a clearly definable uptrend or downtrend. The engulfing candle comprises of two candlesticks, and the first body is entirely engulfed by the second one. The second real body is the opposite of the first real body. All right. All right. So, how to trade the engulfing bar price action signals? All right. To trade profitably this chart candlestick pattern, you need to respect three important elements. One is the trend. The trend is your friend. Lay low. Hey, my thing say lay low and grind. Okay, hold on. All right. To trade profitably this chart candlestick pattern, you need to respect three important elements. One, the trend. If you look at any chart, you will notice that there are times where the market is moving clearly in one direction and times where it's moving sideways. To be honest, trading the engulfing bar pattern with the trend is the easiest way to make money in the market. You don't need to be highly knowledgeable about technical analysis to determine whether the market is trending or not. We talked about this in market structure video. Okay. Make it stupid simple. If the market is making series of higher highs and higher lows, it's an uptrend. And if it's making series of lower highs and lower lows, it's simply a downtrend. All right. The illustration above shows a clear uptrend. You don't need to use indicators to determine whether the market is trending or not. Door. Just look at your chart and try to apply the concept of higher highs and higher lows and vice versa. When you are analyzing your charts, bear in mind, kids, right? All right, when you're analyzing your charts, bear in mind that the markets move in trends, and trading with the trend is the most important element in your technical analysis. There's no more than the there's no more important there's no more important than the trend. Don't never try to fight it or control it. Otherwise, you would pay expensively for it. Hey, okay. What? Okay, this can go as far as relationship. Okay. Don't fight the relationship. Don't try to control it. Otherwise, you're gonna pay for it. Okay? You're gonna pay for trying to fight it. You're gonna pay for trying to control it. You're gonna pay for it. Either you're gonna lose them, you're gonna lose them along the way, or you're gonna miss out because you bought it. All right, come on. I ain't trying to spit nothing today. I ain't. All right, you can't make money under any market conditions. No matter how powerful if is your trading system. You have to be patient enough and let the market tell you which direction it's going to take. Okay? Let that man lead. Let that man do his thing. Okay? Successful traders say the trend is your friend. And if you want to master trading the engulfing bar pattern, your first rule is to follow the market direction. In other words, uh, the trend should be your best friend. Okay. All right. Call up your best friend. Okay. My best friend, my my best friend, I do actually have a best friend, but I'm talking about my man best friend. Okay, my man. My man is my best friend. So I was like, hey babe, what's up, boo? Hey, how you doing today? What you doing? Call your best friend. What's up, best friend? Hi, boo. What's up? Okay. What you doing today? We going up or we going down? What we doing? Are we going up? All right. All right. Well, I'll meet up with you. Okay. I'll see you in a bit in this next impulsive move. Okay. All right. The level. When you find a clearly definable uptrend or downtrend, the next step is to identify the most important levels in the market. Okay. I just wanna finish this. We haven't even started like I want to start. We got three more pages. Okay. I locked my door. Mommy's working. Let mommy work. Okay. I'm a mom. You see, I already said this. And damn near 8 videos ago. All right. When you find a clearly definable uptrend or downtrend, the next step is to identify the most important levels in the market. I mean the most powerful support and resistance. If price tests a support level and stop, this is an indication that buyers are there. Yes. Not. If if anybody pays attention to detail, you're gonna see these videos being edited, right? And I just want you to look at the time. I might just put my first video, what time I started, till whenever this video ends, because this is my last video. If this does not go through, hey, we'll try again the next day. Okay, because it's going on almost 11 o'clock, and I know I'm gonna be sleeping an hour. I know I'm gonna be asleep. I know I'm gonna be asleep. And I just wanna, hey, hey, maybe I do want to scroll on TikTok for the next 30 minutes before sleep. Or maybe I want to read a book. My therapist just sent me this motivational speech to listen to. I might want to listen to that. However, I want my time. And God, never mind. I was about to say something. Never mind. We here. Okay. And if you are a mom, you get me. You get me? Right? I can't be the only one that's going through this. All right. If price test the support level and stop, this is an indication that buyers are there. This area is watched by all participants in the market because if it represents a great buying because it represents a great buying opportunity. So if price test is the support level and stop, this is an indication that buyers are there. This area is watched by all participants. No support and resistance levels. All right. And the market, because it represents a great buying opportunity. Support here. Resistance here. We sell from resistance. We buy as support. All right. Conversely, if price test a resistance level is and stop in an uptrend, this is a clear signal that the selling strength is in the market. All right, these are things that you need to look out for. All right, if it tests a resistance level and stop in the uptrend, if it tests a support level and stops. All right, the example below shows how the market participants interact with support and resistance levels. All right, resistance, support, resistance, support. Um, we know how resistance and support levels are formed. Okay. We know that support and resistance levels is the area in where price re changes directions or reacts to. Okay. We know that the previous swing points then acts as a support or resistance, but it has to what has to happen is that first break, and then it comes to retrace. Once it retraces, it turns either into a support or resistance. You got me? All right. These levels take a different form, such as trend. These levels take different forms, such as trend lines, mm, channels, flags, triangles, and your and your ability to identify them in the chart will help you find better price levels in the market. So, support and resistance levels could be trend lines. When we talked about market structure, we talk about support and resistance. We talk about trend lines and how to trade and arrange your market and things like that. What things that you can be able to use. Um, we haven't talked about channels and we haven't talked about flags or triangles. We're not going to get into this with those. However, with me personally, we will get into those. Okay? Because me as a technical trader, I look at price previous movements and patterns in the market. Okay? Channels and flags and triangles are patterns. Um, yeah, we're gonna get into it. We're gonna get into it. Stay tuned to the Romero show. That's why, hey, gang gang. That's why we locked in like this. All right. Entry the markets in trending markets, when price passes the resistance levels, the resistance could become support. See the illustration below to understand how to trade the engulfing bar pattern with the support and resistance in a bullish or bearish trend. All right, this is how it looks. There are other technical tools that can help us use. I'm sorry, why I want to put use in there? There are other technical tools that can help us find the best levels in the market, such as supply and demand areas, moving averages, and Fibonacci retracement levels. Okay, we talked about Fibonacci retracement vaguely, but we will get more into that. We talked about moving averages, either the 8 or the 21 moving average. We talked about supply and demand levels. Did we? If we didn't, we gonna get there. Okay. All right. So this is how it says in the illustration below to understand how to trade them. Okay. So in trending markets, when price passes the resistance level, that resistance could become support. All right. Uh, the resistance level it was at first when price came up, it rejected. It was the resistance level rejected until price breaks out, comes back and retrace, acts as a support. Boom, engulfing bar. Get your ass in the trade. All right, the signal. The signal here is an engulfing bar pattern. You can apply the same rules when trading the inside bar candlestick pattern. Inside bar is that Harami. All right, it's that pregnant. We're gonna get into that. Your ability to identify an engulfing candlestick at a key level in a clear uptrend or downtrend will greatly enhance the probabilities of making a winning trade. All right. See another example below. All right. We're trending in the uptrend. It's the previous resistance, those previous swing points. Price breaks out, retrace happens, acts as a support. That engulfing bar is formed. Price goes up. Get your ass in the trade. However, it did come down, right? Let me show a little bit because I do. It did come down some, but that's just a retracement. It gave us another opportunity to get into the damn sale. I mean, get into the damn buy. It still acted as a support level here. Okay, it never broke. All right, we're not gonna go into moving averages, but let's go into the market. Oh, yeah, actually keep that. Finally be going into the market. Okay. Freaking finally. All right. We here. We here. If you have made it here, my buy might be working out. Finally. But we'll talk about that later. Weekly markets. I'm gonna go with AUDUS. Okay, I don't have nothing on here. Do I? Okay, five. Just five. All right. We talked about top-down analysis. You know what? I actually like those drawings. I think I actually just did a drawing on that. I mean, a teacher on that. Okay. Let's reset this market right quick. Okay. Cool. Cool. Yeah. I'm going to keep these level here, my support and my resistance levels. And let's see. So when we're back testing, we know what the market is going to do. However, we just need to know when to get in. I want you to identify those engulfing bars in the market first, and then well, first I want you to do exactly what they tell us. First is market structure. What is market doing? Is it trending higher highs or higher lows? Our second is our support and our resistance. And our third is the candlesticks. We're back testing, so we already got our support and resistance. We already know what the market is trending. If you didn't mark up your support and resistance, go mark up your support and resistance. We know how the market is trending. In this example is trending down. So all we got to do is identify our bearish engulfings. All right, let's see if this actually plays out and works. You know, I would say this is more of a tweezer tops, but they engulfed a little bit. However, I like this more of an engulfing pattern. Um, okay, we have another bearish engulfing right here. Also inside of that is an evening star, but we're not gonna get into that today. However, when I see it like that, take the damn sale. Okay. All right. So I'm pretty sure on a lower time frame, we can see more bearish engulfings and things like that. I'm on a daily time frame as of right now. All right. So and then also we can see the structure actually breaking more. But price then finally breaks structure. At first it was a thin support area right here. So our previous swing point. All right. This line is acting as a support level right here. This is a fake out, but really all of this is the support. Then price finally breaks all of that, comes back and retrace with these candles. Bearish engulfing is formed. Um, also is now a resistance level. Um, yeah, the price sells down. All right, we can do it again. Here is our previous swing point. All right. All right. Price then breaks, comes back and retrace. Um, bearish engulfing is formed. This is a resistance area, becomes resistance. And then she goes down. All right. Let's see if we can find this in a uptrending market. Um, I Where's my charger? Damari got it. Mom, take my charger. Mom, take my charger. Close my door. Ooh, I like this. All right, so this is at the bottom of a downtrend. All right. Well, first, we're trending down. We see this actually multiple times in the market acting as a support, but I like these ones right here. So these are our bullish engulfings. She really just faking a lot of people out, thinking that people is going to sell. Oh, she made a lower high. It's really just an equal high. But then she also made an equal low. Yeah, still supporting that support, still sitting at that support level. All of this is a support level. It's found at the downtrend near a support level. That's even better to take high probability setups. Boom, bullish engulfing is formed. She goes up. Hey, I broke structure. I'm on my way up. I'm on my way up. Okay? I'm on my way up. Come back, retrace. Boom. Now this candle really engulfs it. However, it's a small indication. The next candle engulfs all of that. Strong buy up. All right. Breaks. These were our previous swing point areas. All right. Well, okay. Price breaks here. Breaks all this. Comes back as a support. Bullish engulfing. Bullish engulfing. She does one more push up to the upside. That's on the daily time frame. So on those lower time frames, you can see it a little bit more clear, a little bit more, and you can have better entries. Yes, 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 yes. All right. Oh wow, look at this. This is beautiful. Okay, so on the 1 hour time frame, all right, this is I don't like to talk current market structure because basically how this is actually looking, it's been consolidating up and we've been ranging in between these horizontal and um these horizontal levels, right? So she's been playing around. I need her to break out of this range. Looks like that's actually what's happening. But here's the indication, right? All right. Price breaks all the previous structure. So here was our previous structure right here. This is on 1 hour time frame. Our previous levels were acting as a support and price breaks, right? This candle was the retest. Bearish engulfing forms. All right. But say for instance you missed all of that first move. Price then comes back and retraces. All right. Gives us, hey, we're selling because that's a bearish engulfing right here. All right. But she gives us a fake out. There is a fake out that has to happen. Not always it will happen, but be okay that it happened. There's just also major news in the market today, Wednesday, at 2 o'clock, FOMC statements and things like that. So that's what caused that big old spike. But that big old spike was really just like, hey, get in your damn sale. Okay. Um, this candle did engulf the previous candle. However, I call that more of a tweezer bottoms, still letting us know that the sellers are in control of the market. I'm sorry, tweezer tops. I'm sorry, letting us know that sellers are in control of the market. I like the price action, showing us that the sellers are in control of the market and decision happened. But this candle, sellers were strong in the market. Okay, basically how this happened, it opened up. Buyers pushed the price high, but then sellers took control of the market and closed out here. Like, get in the damn sale, all right? Get in the damn sale. Get in the damn sale. So you missed the sale right now. She has dropped from that, right? Say for instance, we get in. All right, we get in here. All right. Or you wait for price, you get in up here, or if you just like, hey, I'm just gonna wait for price to do his thing and I'm gonna get in to where price is right now. All right, that's currently 21 pips. Okay. That's a lot. You can do some damage with 20 pips, okay? If you just trying to get in and out on the market, you know how many lot size that you're gonna risk. But let's just say, hey, I know market structure. I know support and resistance. That bearish engulfing is form. Price is retracing. I'm getting in at the top of this resistance level. Okay, now we 31 pips in profit versus 21 pips in profit. Okay, why are you making this hard? Stupid, simple. Okay, we haven't even like we didn't put no indicators. I literally just did market structure and support and resistance in the candlesticks. This is the engulfing bar strategy. This is why that shit is so motherfucking. This why I say there ain't no kids allowed. Okay, and that's probably why my views not be getting pushed the way that it need to get pushed. I don't care. Sometimes when I get into this, I get so passionate that I do cuss. That's because I mean this. Like I know this. I see this. Like we see this. We see this. This shit. We see this. I'm not making up no lies. I ain't create Trading View. I didn't create the market, but I can teach you how to rob these banks. I can teach you how to get in this market. The banks is trading your money anyways. Okay? You think that money just actually sitting there, whatever remaining balance that you have in your account, that money not there. Okay. You know how you go and you deposit money and they say certain available funds for this. You have to wait this day before it actually clear. That's because they don't have no money in the market. They trading your money. Why not trade your own money? Why put it in the bank account? I mean, put it in the bank account, but why put it in the bank account and just let that shit just sit there? Why not let your money grow? Why not make your own money grow? Sorry. Hey, 8 videos and we here, baby. We is here. All right. But just that simple, guys. Just that simple. Just that simple. All right? Just that simple. However, price is ranging. All right. She can easily come back and go back up to the upside. We know how to trade ranging markets. Like, what are we doing? All of this is in the book. All of this is what we read. All of this is what we've already went through. I have not put no special indicators. Let's just say, hey, we put the 21 moving average on. Look how that shit lining up. Okay, get in the sale. Hey, we get in the sale. We below the 21 moving average. We're near that resistance level. Get in the sale, baby. You hear me? You hear me? Hey, best friend, what's up, boo? Yeah, what you doing, say? Oh, you feeling a little down? I got you. I'm about to come over. You want me to bring something while I'm there? The 21 moving average, I got you, baby. I got you. If you need that extra layer of confluence, I got you. I got you. I'm about to speak life into you. Come. All right. To my man, my future husband. You ready for this? Are you ready for this? Ashy hands and all. All right, but that's all that I have with you guys. Chat's going crazy. Markets is going crazy. You see, um, we have went. If you wanted me to do textbook, I could have did textbook with the arrows, but I think I did pretty good. You got it right. All right, you got it right. And if you don't, let me know. Put in the chat. Put in the comment section. All right, so next, what we are going to be doing, I'm going to put moving averages in the Fibonacci retracement in one, trend line sideways markets in one, maybe supply and demand in one, depending on, and then money management trading rules. Y'all, what are you doing? What are you doing with your life? What do you see your life in 5 years? My What you see your life in 5 years? Hey, shouts out to my father-in-law. Okay, that was one of the first questions that he asked me when he was going through the interrogation process. And now that I met him, right now, since I hope he can see the growth in me, okay? Because I was when I met him, my see, I had just came from a an event with the kids, so I wanted to dress with the kids. Thinking, hey, auntie, let's dress alike, blah blah blah. I did not have time to change my clothes, and I'm like, why am I seeing his dad in this outfit? Like I felt like, you know, but it's okay. I had to be myself. Hey, the clothes don't make the person make the clothes. All right, you got a tidbit of that last part. Okay, that was a little bit personal. I never, hey, see, YouTube, only YouTube get this. Okay, you should feel special. You should feel special. All right, I am gone. Let me try to watch something for the last couple minutes if I could. Um, if you're not already following me, make sure you follow me. Okay, Married Goddess. I'm everywhere. MARATHEGODESS into number twos. Yes, I know it's Wendy and Goddess. That's how I want it to be. I'm ready to rip off this eyelash. Okay. She's tired, just like I'm tired. Okay. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Do your homework. Okay. Like, do your homework. Do your homework. That's all I ask. I love you. Bye.